guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you how I decorate this birdcage slash lantern. I do use it as a lantern, not as a birdcage. So the materials that you will need is this bunny, that I use is this bunny that I picked up at Dollarama for $3. These wood carrots that I DIY'd, and there will be a video coming up in next 2 weeks. This thrifted bunny that I picked up at a thrift store, and a Dollarama moss, green moss that came from Dollarama for $3. So the first thing that I'm going to do is obviously remove these candles from it and put some moss on the bottom. I also wanted to mention that this video is an open invitation challenge hosted by Kenya's Home Decor called Spring Lantern Challenge, and we're supposed to decorate a lantern for spring. So that is what I'm doing. Mine's more of an Easterish theme, but Easter is part of spring. So before I put moss, I decided to put this parchment paper on the bottom so the moss doesn't make too much of a mess. And I'm also going to use this twine to attach the carrots to the top of the lantern. So I traced the bottom of the lantern so that way I can cut out the parchment paper and put it onto the bottom. You don't necessarily have to use the parchment paper. It is just something that I've had, so thought of. You can use a piece of cardboard, you can use a piece of newspaper, really anything will work, just so that way, because moss makes such a big mess, and this will keep it a bit cleaner. Once I was happy with the amount of moss that I had placed on the bottom of the lantern, I end up adding the bunnies to it. And the last step to this simple DIY is to attach these carrots to the lantern. So I tie up the twine on top of the little leaves, and then I tie it up to the top of the lantern. So here it is. I think it turned out so cute. It's such a simple and easy and inexpensive DIY, and I think it's perfect for the spring and Easter season. I think these bunnies look so cute. I had such a hard time finding a bunny at Dollarama that didn't have really scary eyes or a really odd smile. This one's smile is pretty odd, but it's not as bad as some of the other ones. So I would like to thank Kenya for hosting this challenge. I enjoyed participating in it, and I can't wait to check out her channel, which will be linked down below, as well as the playlist for this challenge, and see what other people had come up with. And thank you all so much for stopping by and watching. And if you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to stick around and press that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out any of my new posts. I post videos Monday to Friday, and there are a ton of DIYs, cooking and cleaning inspirations for you. So I hope you decide to press the subscribe button. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.